Hello, beautiful people. So, in the last episode, we answered a simple question that what is React? But while I was learning React, one question kept bothering me that why does React even exist? Like, seriously? Like, when JavaScript was already there and HTML and CSS was already there, so why did developers spend years of time building another JavaScript library? Were they just bored? Definitely not, right? Like, let's think about a simple example. Like, imagine you and me building a counter app, right? And you click a button and the number changes from 0 to 1, right? Just imagine. And then, like, easy step, right? Like a few lines of JavaScript code and you are like done. In this case, no React needed here, right? Now let's make things a little more interesting. Like, instead of a counter app, imagine you are building Instagram. Someone likes your post, a new message arrives, a notification pops up, and someone comments on your post, or your feed gets refreshed and your profile gets updated. Right now, ask yourself, every time something changes, who updates the screen? The answer is you do. Yes, like with plain JavaScript, you are responsible for finding the right element, changing it, updating the UI, and making sure you don't accidentally break something else. For a small project, that's completely fine, completely. But imagine doing this across hundreds of buttons, forms, notification chats, and feeds. Now you are not just building features, you are spending a lot of time managing the user interface itself. And that's the real problem, not JavaScript. The problem is complexity. As applications become bigger and more interactive, keeping the UI in sync with changing data become harder and harder, and that's where React changed the whole game. Like, instead of saying JavaScript update the text, hide this button, change this image, React says, just tell me what the UI should look like based on your data. I will figure out the updates. And that's a completely different way of thinking. And honestly, that's the real reason why React becomes so popular, right? And it didn't replace JavaScript, it made building complex user interface much easier. So whenever someone tells you React is just a JavaScript library, remember this. Like, React was not created because JavaScript was bad, it was created because modern web applications become too difficult to manage manually. And once you understand that, every React feature starts making a lot more sense to you. But now another question comes up. If React updates the screen, then what exactly is it updating? To answer that, we first need to understand what the browser creates when it loads a web page, and that's exactly what we will explore in the next episode. Until then, keep asking questions to yourself and just keep building. And remember, we are not just learning React, we are building React from the scratch, right? So, this is all for now. See you in the next episode.